content. Hey guys, welcome back to Big Wild Hacking, Troubleshooting Edition. So let's just do a quick recap, and I hope everybody's enjoying this so far. Let's do a quick recap of what we know. We know the check disk command, the tracer command, the ping command, and the path ping command for troubleshooting the disk and connectivity issues. We also learned a little bit about Wireshark, like the color rules, configuration profiles, saving and opening capture files. So let's continue further with what we know into Wireshark. Okay, so let's dive in to Wireshark. I'm going to open my I'm going to open up my merged packet. This is the packet from the last video that we merged. Now see, we have 55 packets, and there's not really a wide variety of packets. And so Wireshark, say you do a packet capture, but you want to look for specific packets that match certain specific criteria, like protocol criteria. What you can do is you can use a shortcut key, Control F, and that will open up the Find Packet bar. I'll show you. So here's Control F, and here's the Find Packet bar. And so what about TLS v1.2? So let's say we wanted to find a specific packet. We'd use the shortcut key, Control F, which opens up the packet search bar, and we can do a display filter. We can search by hex value, string, or regular expression. We're going to just click display filter. Okay, we're going to search just for TLS. Let's click find. And there it goes. It highlights, as you can see right here where my mouse cursor is, it highlighted that with the gray background. Packet number 3. TLS v1.2. So now let's say we wanted to go to the next packet that matched that criteria. We just press Control N and it goes to the next one. See how it changed to the next one? Now let's Control N to the third one. There it drops down to the third one. And here's the fourth one, fifth one, sixth one, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now you can see how that works. Now we can analyze these packets for transport layer security, TLS. Okay guys, so we have found our TLS packets, and we can switch between the packets to go forward by pressing Control N, and also we can go backwards by pressing Control B to go backwards between the TLS packets. Now, what if I had discovered one of these TLS packets and I wanted to mark that packet so I could save specifically just that packet? Well, I can do this one of two ways. I can use the shortcut key, press Control M, or I can just right click and put mark and unmark, and you see the Control M is here. So let's mark it. Okay, see how it makes it black like that? Let's mark that one. Let's pick 3 of them. Let's grab a TCP, mark that, and then one more TLS. Mark that. Okay, so now that we have those marked packets, let's see if we can just find another one. Let's grab a few of these MDNS packets. So I'm going to mark 2 of those. So we have 5 packets that I marked in total that are clearly black, and it's blacker than this black right here for these TLS packets. Um, so what if we want to export just these packets to a PCAP file? Well, what we do is after we mark them, we go into File, Export Specified Packets, go down to here to Marked Packets Only, and then we'll name it Marked Packets. And then we'll save that. So now if we exit out of this capture and then go and open up our marked packets, we'll open that up. We now have those 5 packets that were marked. Okay guys, so yeah, I'm looking at these 5 marked packets that we picked from that capture, and that's great. They're real interesting, but let's talk about another feature of Wireshark. Let's go into Capture Options. This is the Wireshark Capture Options menu, and it has 3 tabs, 3 sections: Input, Output, and Options. The Input tab is where all your network interface cards are located, and you can also individually select them to have promiscuous mode on or promiscuous mode off, depending on your situation. If your if you're packet sniffing, if you're doing a packet capture analysis on a network that only has one device connected, then you don't need to enable promiscuous mode on the interface. You only need to enable promiscuous mode on the interface when you are doing a packet analysis on a network that has multiple devices. But I just like to keep mine on because it's easier that way. Next, we have the Output tab. So this is the Output tab where we can save. You know how we were saving our capture files? Well, this is the configuration for saving our packet capture files. So this will automatically save files. So right here we can browse, capture to a permanent file. You know, we can put the file wherever we want. We can the output format we can use pcap, which would be for like loading it into TCP dump or some other software. And we can use the Wireshark native format pcap-ng. And then down here we create a new file automatically. So we can create a new file after X amount of packets, after X amount of kilobytes, after X amount of seconds, or after X amount of hours. And there is a compression. We can have it saved as a compressed folder like gzip or no compression. Okay, so the ring buffer would be, right now it's at 2, but you can change this to, let's put 7. So, and if you click, um, like let's say, and let's go click when time is 2 hours, and we have, let's change the ring buffer to 3. So we create a new file automatically every 2 hours, and it has a ring buffer of 3. That means after 6 hours, it will create the file and then start overwriting every 6 hours. It will overwrite the previous packets from the file. I'll demonstrate more on how to use this later, but right now that's okay. Okay guys, that's going to wrap it up for right now, but stay tuned for the next installment of my troubleshooting series, Wireshark and the command line. We're going to be talking about capture, filters, and a bunch more fun stuff. Stay tuned. Explicit content.